Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got two printers in front of me, the JGAurora A5S and the JGAurora A1. You might not have seen these printers before. These printers were both released in October 2018, and here I'm going to show you some of the main differences and similarities between these two brand new printers. Let's go! The first difference you'll notice is the big difference in frame design. The A5S follows in the footsteps of the JGAurora A5, its predecessor. It continues with a more enclosed design with moving parts hidden away behind panels or hidden inside enclosures. The A1 has an all-new frame design, which is significantly more open and perhaps more bare bones. This may not look as aesthetically pleasing, but it does mean you have significantly easier access to all the moving parts, whether for servicing, repairs or modification. Cosmetically, you may prefer the A5S with its curved edges and nice enclosed design. The second major difference between these two printers is only a small one, but it is a difference. The A5S has a slightly bigger print volume at 300 by 300 square on the bed, but 320 high. The A1 has a slightly smaller print volume of 300 by 300 by 300 high. This slight difference in build height may be significant to you or it may not be. Personally, both of these printers have a very large build volume, and I would not choose between those two based on that fact alone. The third major difference is actually in the materials that these printers are made out of. The A1 is actually made out of a slightly thicker steel than the A5S. The A1, the steel thickness is 1.73mm, while in the A5S, the steel thickness is actually 1.36mm. That means that A1 uses steel that's 22% thicker. The A1 also has the screws in more strategic positions mounted into the main chassis. Compared to the A5S, which I would say has a stiff frame, the A1 frame is practically rock solid and significantly stiffer than the A5S frame. So that's the differences between these printers. But what about the similarities? Well, for starters, while these printers look externally quite similar, internally they're practically identical. They both use the same type of belts, the same thickness of rods on the X, Y and Z axes, the same type of hot end and nozzle, and the same type of blower fans. You can expect, and from what I've seen, the print quality is almost identical between these two printers. Second major similarity is internally with their electronics. Both printers are built on JGAurora's brand new electronics platform. JGAurora have engineered their own custom motherboard and also have started to create their own firmware as well. This new platform is entirely proprietary, so it's up to JGAurora to release updates and new features for these printers. This means that we will no longer be able to create community firmware for the A5S and the A1. The third main similarity is in the features these two printers offer. Both of these printers offer filament runout sensors, and both of these printers offer power outage protection as well. Neither of these printers yet offer automatic bed leveling, and that's a feature I'd really love to see JGAurora offer in their next printer. This is a feature I'm seeing start to grow in popularity, with some of the models, even budget models, are coming out now with automatic bed leveling, and I expect it'll be a competitive feature to offer in 2019. I wonder when JGAurora will add this feature to their printer lineup. Well guys, that's it. I've given you the three main similarities and three main differences of the A5S and A1 3D printers, and I'm really grateful to JGAurora for letting me get my hands on them this early. Hopefully now you feel more equipped to know the differences and work out which of these printers could be best for your needs. I've put links in the description below where you can actually buy these printers, and I'll add coupons as well that I find over time to that list as well. I've also put links down below where you can join our community to get support and help with using your A5S and A1 3D printers. Thank you for watching this video and happy printing!